Assalamualaikum, this is Zara Khan Vlog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel ZF Learning Tricks. First of all, I am so grateful for your support. Thank you so much guys, and next few minutes you will learn about parts of body name. So without further delay, let's start the video. Parts of body name. Foot, foot means paw. Foot means paw. Chest means सीना या छाती. Chest means सीना या छाती. Face means चेहरा. Cheek means गाल या रुखसार. Cheek means गाल या रुखसार. Hair means बाल. Hair means बाल. Ankle means टखना. Knee means घुटना. Heel means एड़ी. Waist means कमर. Chin means थोड़ी. Tongue means ज़बान. Thumb means अंगूठा. Wrist means कलाई. Lip means होंठ. Nail means नाखून. Braid means दाढ़ी. Palm means हथेली. Fist means मुट्ठी. Calf means पिंडली. Navel means naaf. Forehead means पेशानी. Arm means बाजू. Mouth means मुंह. Ear means कान. Neck means गर्दन. Leg means टांग. Head means सर. Elbow means कहनी. Nose means नाक. Shoulder means कंधा. Hip means कूल्हा. Stomach means पेट या मैदा. Toe means पाँव का पंजा. Eye means आँख. Teeth means दांत. Hand means हाथ. Finger means उंगली. Thigh means रान. Armpit means बगल. So yes guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. So I will see you soon. Take care and keep smiling. Bye bye.